We get asked all the time, are specifically for some reason, the smart patches you can put on your phone or tablet from space, do they need to be changed over 2 years or 5 years? Is there a short amount of time that they will work for? The answer is they work indefinitely. All the safe space products are that way. The programs are very powerful and they stay intact, whether exposed to a physical force, a chemical force, strong odors, volatile compounds, other sources of electromagnetic frequencies that aren't healthy. The safe space products are designed to withstand all that, and the program stays intact. Some other protection has been included into a lot of the products. There's for example, on the safe space patch, the smart patch, there's a protective layer on it for physical wear and tear in case you don't have a case on your smartphone. Our Safe Space 2 pendant has glass on it, but there's also a dome, a special dome put on each side to help protect it from falls and things like that. But the programs stay intact, so they do last indefinitely.